Now next is intensity of EMF. What is intensity? Intensity is energy crossing per unit area per unit time in a direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave, that is called intensity of electromagnetic wave. So suppose if we represent intensity with the formula of I, so I is equals to, we know that I is equals to energy crossing per unit area per unit time. So we know that this U is energy density, this U is energy, that we know that energy density, if this is energy density U, then energy per unit volume, this is the energy density. So if I want to calculate U from here, that will be energy density into volume, and volume is equals to area into length, where U is equals to energy density into volume, volume is equals to area into length, and we can write length as velocity into time taken. So we get value of U is equals to this. So when we substitute the value, A get cancelled with A, time get cancelled with time, and we get here only energy density into speed of light, where energy density is what? Previously we have calculated energy density, that is equals to C epsilon naught E root mean square, or B root mean square, or we can say also this as E naught square by 2. Previously we have calculated the value of energy density is equals to this. So when we substitute the value, we get intensity is equals to, either in the term of electric and the magnetic field is like this. Next is momentum of electromagnetic wave. As we know that momentum P is equals to h by lambda. H is Planck's constant and lambda is the wavelength. So if we multiply and divide it with the C, we get here where C by lambda is nu, because nu is C is equals to nu lambda, and from here we get nu is equals to C by lambda. So when we substitute the value, we get h nu by C, where h nu is what? This is energy, this is U, so we get U by C. So this is the formula of energy per unit speed of light. This is the momentum in the term of energy and speed of light. Now next is radiation pressure. Pressure is what? Pressure is intensity per unit speed of light. Pressure is intensity per unit speed of light. Next we have a EM spectrum. In EM spectrum actually consists of various type of wave like radio wave, microwave, infrared ray, visible ray, UV, X-ray and gamma rays. They have a particular value of wavelength and frequency, and they uses also like radio wave used for the communication, microwave for the radar and navigation system, infrared ray for eye surgery, muscular strain, night vision, foggy photography, and visible is for the water purification and killing germs. So these are the uses of the different electromagnetic